Niels Bohr was born October 7, 1885 in Copenhagen. After entering grammar school in 1903, he entered Copenhagen University. He then was under the guidance of Professor C. Christensen. He earned his master's in physics in 1909 and his doctor's in physics in 1911. In 1915, Niels Bohr created the Bohr model. People called the Bohr model the Rutherford Bohr model because the Bohr's model is just a modified model of Rutherford's model. Bohr's model is based on quantum mechanics. The Bohr model has some incorrect parts to it, but it contains a formula for the spectral emission lines of atomic hydrogen, unlike any other models. In the Bohr model, the negatively charged electrons orbit the positively charged nucleus. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Wittenberg, Germany. The special theory of relativity is what led or made Einstein a scientist. It led to Einstein's general theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein published a paper on the nature of light. This led to another proposal on the quantum theory. Einstein also published a paper that made them test the reality of atoms and the laws of thermodynamics. He created the equation E equals mc2. E equals mc squared means the energy is equal to the mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. Heisenberg was born December 5, 1901 in Weißenburg, Germany. Heisenberg calculated the behavior of electrons and the subatomic particles. Heisenberg also included the quantum mechanics branch of mechanics and for interpreting the behavior of elementary particles or atoms are based on the quantum theory.
Max Planck is considered to be the initial founder of the quantum theory in the year of 1900. He realized that the light and other electromagnetic waves were emitted in packets of energy that he called quanta, which is the singular form for quantum. In the previous year, in 1899, Max Planck noted that the energy of photons could take on certain discrete values, which were always a full integer multiple of a certain constant known as the Planck's constant. Later in 1900, Planck revised his blackbody theory to incorporate the supposition that electromagnetic energy could be emitted only in quantized form, so that the energy could be a multiple of an elementary unit, E equals hv. Planck measured the wavelengths with oscillators and spectroscopes. In 1927, Schrödinger introduced his equation, the Schrödinger equation. This was a wave equation that describes the form of the probability waves that govern the motion of small particles and how these waves are altered by external influences.